That operating system is Android. It's primarily used for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets developed by Google. Android first emerged in 2008 and rapidly gained popularity in the mobile market. It features a user-friendly interface with top-based navigation and customizable home screens. Personally, using Android feels intuitive and versatile, with a wide range of apps and features tailored to meet various user needs.